Eaten your breakfast, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good. What is Shobit doing? He was writing in the previous class also. What are you writing, Shobit? Unmute yourself and speak. Unmute yourself.
Ma'am, I'm writing maths exercise.
Okay, you're
Good
complete.
morning, ma'am. And then you, ma'am, when you give me work, then ma'am, I will do your work.
Yes, yes. Good, beta, good. You're utilizing your time. That's very nice. Let's wait for others to join. Who was reading in the previous class? The class got over. It was Yashmit who was reading?
No, ma'am, Shobit.
Shobit was reading, yes.
Ma'am, can I also do my other work?
Yes, you have done your essay and you have read it also. You can do better. While others are reading their essays, you can do your work.
Okay, ma'am.
But you should, I think you should listen to others as well. Maybe somebody has written very well, so you should also take a little idea. Isn't it? Don't you think you should have?
Ma'am, so we write and also listen. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
And we can write and also listen.
You can write and also listen. Okay, you'll do 2 in 1. Huh? Multitasking.
No, ma'am.
Okay, no problem.
And the paragraph I have read, this is the real. We have gone to Pangod.
Okay, that's real. That's a fact. It actually happened. Okay. So that comes under real life incidents. Real life, or you can say true events, based on true events. Okay, now, yes, say.
Ma'am, today we will do test.
Which test?
Ma'am, test or worksheet.
Creative period.
Yes, I told you. I told in your class that I'll take a test. And I forgot.
Ma'am,
Was it in your class?
creative. Ma'am, this is English creative.
I know this is English creative, but I told for SST that I'll be taking a test. Did I tell it to you people?
Ma'am,
No? Maybe in some other section. It was in some other section.
please say again what are the things.
Creative class.
We are continuing the English creative class. You will read out your essays. Now, Shobit was reading his essay. And I told that Shobit, please pay attention to the beginning, to the introduction, like how Kanav wrote in his essay. Kanav, what did you write? Can you please read the introduction of your essay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Everybody pay attention to the introduction he gave.
Ma'am, please wait.
And Shobit, pay attention, beta, close your maths work now. Because you have to read your essay and you will make a little changes.
Ma'am, I have written summer vacation are a long vacation for every student. Students enjoy their vacation with their family and friends. I have spent my last summer vacation at home.
Yes, very nice. So you understand how he told about summer vacations, what summer vacations are. It is a long vacation. It's a long holiday time. And students, children long for it. They wait for it. They enjoy this time with their families, with their relatives, with their friends. So add on a little introduction to your essay, beta. Whatever you are going to speak on, first you should explain what it is. Isn't it? You straight away say, I went to Nainital for my summer vacation. What is this? This is not the beginning. This is not a good start. We are writing on something. First, we have to introduce that something to the reader. The reader should know that what he is going to read about. Now read your essay. Now Shobit, and you will add 2-3 lines in the introduction, beta. Okay? Unmute yourself.
Ma'am, can I read my essay?
Yes, beta. Read.
Essay write about summer vacation. In my vacation, I visited on my grandpa's house. I meet my grandparents, uncle, auntie, and I go to my grandpa's garden, and in my grandfather's garden there is mango tree. I plucked mangoes and eat. I adventure my village, temples, wells, Tanga, bullock cart, etc. I think there are summer vacations in every 1 year. I am very happy in my summer vacations. I have think in my next summer vacation I go to Dubai. In my past summer vacation, I have not enjoyed with my brother because he is not there. Thank you.
He was not there. Okay. Now the whole essay, the whole vacation that you spent, you have written in present tense.
Can I ask
You also
one thing?
What, Bhavya?
Ma'am, I want to ask one thing about the paragraph.
Can I tell my essay?
I am saying, I want to ask from Shobit, where do he go? I have not heard.
Okay, where did he go? Where did you go, Shobit? Now see again, he went there long back. Now when you are putting up the question, it should be in past tense, not where do you go, where did you go? Where did you go, Shobit? What was the place?
When I go to my grandpa's house.
I went to my grandpa's house. What will you say?
In which? Ma'am,
What will you say, Shobit? Okay. Where does your grandpa live?
Ma'am, in Bareilly.
In Bareilly only?
Yes, ma'am. My grandpa, my grandpa and grandmother is in Bareilly.
Okay. Now, Bhavya, any other question?
Ma'am, your voice and is coming fast, and your video is pausing.
My video is pausing, children.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I think Bhavya has connection problem.
Okay. Now, Bhavya.
I have Wi-Fi.
Very good, Bhavya. Now mute yourself. Everybody mute, and Mokshit, beta, start reading.
Okay, ma'am. Essay writing my summer vacation. After closing the school in mid of May, I am excited about my vacation. My father told me tomorrow we go Rani Khel. I feel very happy. Next morning we go Rani Khel. There are many farms. I enjoyed there so much. There are many people. I stay in a hotel there. I see many farms there like carrot farm, potato farm, beetroot farm, etc. It is very interesting place. I know many things about vegetables. There in next summer vacation, in next summer vacation also we go the Rani Khet only. Thank you.
Very nice, beta. But again, the same problem, tenses problem. All of you have made this mistake. When you are talking about the past, you have not used past tense.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can I say?
Beta, have you written, Anika?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you will read now. Start reading.
Ma'am,
Who is not muted? Who is not muted? Okay, it is from Anika's house only. So much noise is coming. Anika, can you go in some other room, beta? Can you move from that place? Anika, open your camera. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, now it's fine. Speak.
Ma'am, I go to my grandparents' house. There I have a lot of fun. And
Anika,
in the
where have you
vacation-
written? Show me the copy where you have written this essay, beta.
yes, ma'am. 1 second.
Anyone has written anything different in the essay? Anyone left who feels that, ma'am, my essay is very nice and you should listen to the essay? Anybody in the class who feels that his or her essay is very different, very nicely written?
You have to hurt her essay. It can also tell your difference, your thinking.
Okay, Naisha. Naisha Roy is left. Naisha, beta, have you written?
What, ma'am?
Have you written this
ma'am.
essay, My Summer Vacation?
Ma'am, actually, in the last class, I had started writing, but it became a but the class got over, so I'm actually writing the rest of the half right now.
All right. So will you be able to complete it? And will you be able to read it out for us?
What, ma'am?
Will you be able
Yes,
to
ma'am.
complete it and read it out in the class in this period?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anika has muted herself. Anybody else wants to read his or her essay? Ashutosh Singh was raising his hand. I saw him. Ashutosh Singh is not there. Okay, he's there. Ashutosh?
Ma'am, yes.
Yes, beta. Read out.
Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to tell about my summer vacation. When I wake up, my mother said, your summer vacation has started. So I said, my father will go to Delhi. My mother said, I also want to go Delhi. So we go to Delhi. I have lot of fun in Delhi. I see Metro Train, Red Fort, and India Gate. I live in my uncle's flat. My uncle's flat is on top floor. When I see Delhi from balcony, there is so good view. I also learn swimming. I like to eat sweet dishes of Delhi. Then I come back home. In next summer vacation, I go to my grandpa house.
Okay, Ashutosh.
Ma'am, can I tell? Ma'am, can I read?
Yes. Who is asking? Akhya is asking, and who else is asking?
Ma'am, I Jaskaran Singh.
Jaskaran. Okay. Akhya, first Akhya will read and then Jaskaran you will read.
Okay.
Akhya beta, I can't listen to what you are saying. Yes. What happened, Akhya? What happened, beta? Akhya is not there. Okay, Jaskaran, you read.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Jaskaran Singh Taneja, and today I will read about my summer vacation. One day, I have gone to Madhya Pradesh. I am going into the zoo first time. There are so many animals like tiger, monkeys, bear, etc. When in when I am seeing all the animals, so my mother is teaching me about all the animals. I have learned so many new things about animals. This is my one of the best summer vacation in zoo. I have said that let's go to the market. I buy my new watch from there. After in the next day, we have gone. We have now 1 minute. We have gone to the park where are so many fun things like climbing things, ghost trains, etc. This park was so amazing, and the and garden in the park is so beautiful. Yesterday we went to zoo and today I went to the park. So where we will go next? My father said tomorrow we are going to home. Thank you.
Okay. Anybody else who's left?
Can I read? Ma'am, can I read because I have get
Summer. What Bhavya? What Bhavya? Say.
Ma'am, I am saying that at that time I have tell the diary, but I have now correct.
No. Okay, beta. You have corrected. Fine. Very good. Now let me give chance to others. I can't give you turn twice, right? There are students left who have not even read once.
Okay, ma'am.
Amoli, Summer, and who else is raising his hand? Akhya. Okay. So let's have, okay, Vamika. Let's have Amoli first.
My name is Amoli Gupta and I am going to tell about my summer vacation. I am want go Munsiari in summer vacation. Me and my family drive in Munsiari in car. We saw waterfall in there. We saw rainbow in there. I eat lots of Maggie in there. I am very enjoying in there. Thank you.
Amoli, beta, you think it's an essay? Just writing 4 points. You have just written 4 points, beta. This is not an essay. Isn't it? You have listened to what other students read. Did you hear their essays? Okay. Next, Akhya Goel, read.
It was summertime. We decided to go nearer to our nanny's house. I have 2 cousins and enjoyed playing with them. After 2 days, my mama decided to go to Hastinapur, where I saw some large temples. We go to see what is inside the temple. We see some statues of some god like Buddhaji. Then there was elephant ride. We also go to elephant ride. It was a big round. Then there was some swings. Also there was a boat swing. We go there. It was scary, but we love it. Some seesaws were there, some merry-go-rounds, and etc. swings. Me and my cousin played together. We buy some snacks and drinks. Then later we come back to our nanny's house. We enjoy a lot. Thank you.
Very nice. Good. Okay, Summer, read.
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes,
Hello everyone,
read.
my name is Pooja Singh. So I am telling about my summer vacation. Summer vacation is the best time of the year. As it gives me a chance to relax and explore new things. It gives me an opportunity to take a break from my daily study routine and adopt new hobbies like gardening, dancing, and painting, while also having fun with friends. This summer, I visited my grandparents' place. My cousins visited our parents too during their summer vacation, and we spent the whole day playing others. Thank you.
Okay. Who else is left?
Ma'am,
Yes,
can I?
Yes, Ashray will read, then Vamika will read. Okay, Ashray,
I
then
am coming
Vamika.
from my another device because ma'am, my battery is too low.
Okay, beta, join.
Essay writing. Summer vacation is the time to relax, stretch our body and mind, and spend some time with our hobbies. Summer vacation is the time to go out and visit new places. In my summer vacation, I went to Pune. In Pune, my Tauji and Taiji lives there. We went to Pune by plane. From Bareilly to Delhi, we went by car. In flight, we enjoyed a lot. It was my first trip by a plane. In Pune, we went to mall and market. One day, we went to Lonavala and Khandala. Khandala is very beautiful place. Next day we went to Mahabaleshwar. It is a hill station and the weather was very cold. I enjoyed there very much. I also played with my cousins. I enjoyed my summer vacation a lot.
Very nice, Ashray. Yes. Very nice, Ashray. Very good. Vamika, you want to read now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start reading, beta.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Vamika, and I am going to tell you.
Louder. I can't hear you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Vamika, and I am going to tell you about my summer vacation. I visit.
And finally, my maths work is completed.
Shobit, no talking in between.
I visit Ujjain to Jaipur, Jaipur to Delhi.
Ma'am, the voice is coming very slow.
Yes, Vamika, beta, we can't hear you. I can't hear you. I don't know what about others in the class, if they can hear you or not.
I also cannot hear. It is very
And
low,
I'm
very.
going to bring my lead.
I also cannot hear.
Okay, children, now tell me one thing.
It is
Okay, everybody stop. Now tell me, what is the reason, the best reason why we love our summer break? Why we love the holidays we get from school? What is the reason?
ma'am, because we get a lot of so we can take rest and we
classes
not yet.
and focus on our studies.
Ma'am, please say again what we
I am asking, what is the reason that makes you love your summer break? What is the best point about having a summer vacation, having a long holiday? What is the most exciting factor about it? All those who want to answer will raise your hands. Let me see who all want to answer. Okay. Daksh Pratap Singh will tell us why he loves his holidays the most. Daksh, can you unmute yourself? Yes.
We like holiday because in holiday we have spend time with our
we spend time with our families.
and we focus on our studies.
Okay, we focus on studies. All right. Okay, so that's why Daksh Pratap Singh likes holidays. Naisha, why do you like your holidays?
Yes, ma'am. I like my holidays because we get a little break from studies and work. we get a time to spend with our family. We get to do different types of things like hobbies and all, because in school time we are going to school, we are coming back tired, we are doing our homework, we are eating and sleeping. But in the holidays you feel very fresh and you feel like playing outdoor games, you feel like doing this, you feel like doing that, and then we can attend school again very freshly, and then we feel very good in our holidays.
Very nice. How many feel that this is the reason why you like summer break? How many agree with Naisha? Raise your hands. Yes, so many of you. That's the main point. We love holidays. We want holidays. We want a break. Why? Because it gives us break from our studies. The daily stress, you can say, sometimes it becomes very stressful to cope up with all the subjects. Sometimes we get really tired. We don't want to study, but still have to study because our school days are on. We have to submit our homework and all. So holiday time, the break time is the best time where you get away from your studies, your homework and everything. And you get to do things of your choice. Whether it is doing any activity, whether waking up late in the morning, whether doing any kind of activity, going with your friends, your family, your relatives, your distant relatives place, anywhere. But none of you in your essay included this point when you gave introduction to what summer vacation is. None of you included that we get free from our daily routine. We get to do things of our choice. What did you do? All of you straight away came to the point that in my summer vacation, I went to so and so place. I visited my grandfather's house. I visited my sister's house, whatever. So do you think this should be the introduction? This is how the beginning of the essay should be? Should you not give a complete intro that why you love summer break, right? What is the main point that makes you excited for your summer vacation? Okay, now what I'm going to do is, not now, I will post this essay. I will write this essay and post it in the D group. And I want all of you to go through this essay. Okay? How it is supposed to be written. Is that clear to all of you? Anybody wants to say anything? Okay, Arav Gupta is raising his hand. Arav Gupta. Yes, beta, you can unmute yourself. What do you want to
Ma'am,
say?
may I tell that ma'am why we need summer holidays?
Tell, beta, tell. Why do you need?
Ma'am, we need summer holidays because ma'am, our mind becomes some stressful, and ma'am, we need some time to relax. That summer vacation are the time to relax.
Very
And
nice.
ma'am,
It is.
when we took too much holidays and ma'am relax.
And we become
we can
stress free, beta, not stressful. We become stress free. Yes. And
stress
it
free.
is a time to relax. Very nice. Good point. Anyone else has any point? Okay, Varshita. Yes, Varshita, beta, say, okay, you're unmute. Unmute, beta.
Ma'am, we will be stress free and we can even cope up with our subjects.
Yes, the things that you were not able to do during regular days, you can do them in the break time. Very good point. Very nice. Anybody else has any other point? Okay, Akshadha, wait.
Ma'am, you are muted. Ma'am, we can pursue our hobbies and we can do our work that is pending and we can complete our syllabus.
Yes, very nice. You can pursue your hobbies. You can do your pending work. Very good point. Jasrina wants to say something. Okay, Jasrina, say.
Ma'am, we get leave from the studies and we enjoy and we meet our relatives.
Yes, we get to meet our relatives. We get a break from our studies. Shaurya Tyagi.
Ma'am, by these summer holidays, we can have relax and we can have some more time with our families.
Yes, it gives you to spend, it gives you some more time with your family because you are away from your studies. You need not open your books if your work is complete and you spend quality time with your family. Good. Anybody else? Jaskaran? Yashmit, you want to say something? Okay. Yeah, Jaskaran. Say beta.
Ma'am, we can spend more time with our families. We can do our pending work, and we can do our which we want. We can do.
Yes. So these all points have been already covered up. Spending more time with family, doing our pending work, relaxed. We can lead a relaxed life. We become little stress free. And okay, Yashmit, you have some other point, beta, apart from these points? Okay. Yes.
We can our mind becomes relaxful. We can play many games and we can in this pandemic our eyes can be free from phone and mobiles.
Yes. This is especially for the last summer break you got. Your eyes get a little free from stress. Otherwise, you are all the time, your eyes are digged in your mobiles, isn't it? Your mobiles, your laptops. So you get a little free time from that. In this summer break, you got a little free time. And one more point came to my mind. What was that? I don't know. I have forgotten. Okay, Naisha wants to say something.
Yes, ma'am. And also that the teachers get a break from all these studies and all
Yes.
planning and
We also love summer break because we don't have to wake up early in the morning at 7. That's the main point. And we also get free from a little workaholic schedule. Okay. Anybody else with anything else? So children, now see, when you will make correction in your essay, don't make it now. Let me share the essay once with you and then you can change or add a little points. Okay, according to the essay by reading it, because none of you wrote about what vacations are. Why do you crave for your summer vacations? It is a very important point to explain. When you have your summer vacation, these all points will come in the introductory lines. Is that clear to all of you? Show me a thumbs up. Okay, Varshita has to say something. Yes, beta. Say. Now unmute.
Okay. Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, so you will send the essay today and we
Yes,
can
I will
make
send it to you today. First, I was waiting for all of you to read because if I'll prepare the essay and send it to you, you will not make efforts to write. Okay, you will want to read and write the same essay as mine. But I wanted all of you to put in your efforts in writing. Because when you'll try, only then you will learn what all things can be rectified, what all things can be amended, and which all points there are a few points in everybody's essay who are absolutely perfect. Mainly all you have to focus is you have to focus on your tenses. When you're talking about something in the past, you have to use past tense. Okay, tell me if my sentence is correct. I'm unmuting all of you. You can now unmute yourself. In March, in the month of March, the March that has gone, in the month of March, I go to Jaipur. Is my sentence correct?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
What
Ma'am.
sentence?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Very
Can we get classes over?
In the month of March, I went to Jaipur.
Very nice. In the month of March. Okay.
Bhavya, can I show you something?
I
Ma'am,
get
Bhavya, can I?
no, Bhavya, be quiet. Let me take the class. I get many things when I went to Jaipur. Is my sentence correct?
I got many things when I went to
Oh,
Jaipur.
ma'am.
Very good. Very
I
good.
bought many
got
things when
many
I
things.
went to Jaipur.
Okay.
Many things when we went
When
to
I
Jaipur.
very good. Now listen. Now listen. Now listen. When I went to Jaipur, I go to I go to Nahargarh Fort. I go to the Albert Hall Museum. I go to Johari Bazaar.
Ma'am, I went.
And there will be
I went
Very
to
nice.
Hawa Mahal
Okay.
and many more.
All right. I
I went.
okay.
Went.
All right.
Because, ma'am, it is a past.
Very good. Very good. I buy many things from Bapu Bazaar.
I brought many things from Baku
I
Bazaar.
brought many things from that market.
That market. Very good. Okay.
Got
I
from
uh,
Nainital.
when I went to Jaipur, I play with my cousins. I go for swimming. I also
When
go to hill station.
I go to Jaipur, I played with my cousin and swam with my cousin and gone to a park.
went to hill station.
My friend and cousins play with me and
I
played with my cousin.
cousins. I went for swimming. Yes.
I went
Now
for
see
swimming.
now see how well you people are correcting me when I am making mistakes. Huh? Now you are correcting me now. That means you can correct your own essay. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now listen to the sentence I say very carefully. When I went to Jaipur, I decide to go to Hawa Mahal in the evening.
Ma'am,
When I went to Jaipur, I decide to go Hawa Mahal.
I decided to go. I decided. When I went to Jaipur,
When I went to Jaipur, I decided to go Hawa Mahal.
go to Hawa Mahal. Okay, Arav, beta, please put your mic down. It's too loud. It is too loud. Put your mic down and then speak. Okay, next sentence. Oh, beta, just wait. Let me share the link for the next class. I have not done that.
Okay, ma'am.
class is Pooja ma'am's class.
But
Okay,
I
ma'am.
also have my class in some other class. So let me share the link. Okay, I have done. Next sentence. Now for my next vacation, I go to Delhi.
Now for my next vacation, I will go to Delhi.
For
the next vacation, I will go to Delhi.
Very good. I will go to Delhi because now I'm talking about my next vacation.
Ma'am, and we get classes over.
The class will
You
get
are-
over in 1 minute.
Ma'am, you are talking about the future.
Yes, because I'm talking about the future now. Every time we have summer vacation, we enjoyed a lot.
Enjoy.
Every year we have summer vacation and we enjoyed a lot.
Yes. Now this will be in present tense only. Every year when we get summer vacation, we enjoy a lot.
So that we can wear us.
Yes. Very nice. Now good. I will have one more session like this whenever we meet next in our creative class. Okay. So that you